You check engine light cam on, and the code is P26CB. This is basically you have some issue with your electric water pump. So I just uninstall these water pump. It's sitting right there, right here, underneath these pulley. So I released these bell, the 17 bell, so I could get access to it easy. And just unscrew it. I'm just ready to reinstall when I have the part. So it's basically just right here, sitting right here. Got these electrical disconnect that you need to take out, which would be this one here, and then you drain all your radiator flush fluid, and then once I have the part, I put it back in, refill the radiator fluid, and test it out.